Welcome to my channel Detailed Math Solutions. In this video I'm going to show how to multiply each pair of binomial sum and difference displayed on the screen and 4 more pairs. To solve these exercises I'm going to use the special product formula for sum and difference of the same terms, a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. This formula can also be written as a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a plus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. First exercise, multiply x squared plus 10y squared in parentheses and x squared minus 10y squared in parentheses. In the first parentheses, I have the sum of the two terms x squared and 10y squared. In the second parenthesis, I have the difference of the same two terms x squared and 10y squared. Therefore, I can use the special product formula for sum and difference of the same two terms. The first term, x squared, corresponds to the a in the formula, and the second term, 10y squared, corresponds to the b in the formula. This way, when I apply the formula, this equals to x squared in parentheses squared minus 10y squared in parentheses squared, which equals to x to the power of 4 minus 100 y to the power of 4. Next exercise. Multiply 9x squared minus y squared in parentheses and 9x squared plus y squared in parentheses. When I apply the formula, I have 9x squared corresponding to the a in the formula and y squared corresponding to the b in the formula. This way, this equals to 9x squared in parentheses squared minus y squared in parentheses squared. This equals to 81 x to the 4th power minus y to the 4th power. Next exercise. Multiply a squared plus 8b squared in parentheses and a squared minus 8b squared in parentheses. Again, when I apply the formula, this equals to a squared in parentheses squared minus 8b squared in parentheses squared, which equals to a to the power of 4 minus 64b to the power of 4. Next exercise. Multiply 7a squared minus b squared in parentheses and 7a squared plus b squared in parentheses. When I apply the formula, this equals to 7a squared in parentheses squared minus b squared in parentheses squared, which equals to 49a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4. Next, I'm going to show how to multiply 4 more pairs of binomial sum and difference displayed on the screen. Multiply 5x squared minus 6y squared in parentheses and 5x squared plus 6y squared in parentheses. Like the previous exercises, I'm going to apply the special product formula for sum and difference of the same terms. 5x squared will correspond to the a in the formula, and 6y squared will correspond to the b in the formula. And when I use it, this equals to 5x squared in parentheses squared minus 6y squared in parentheses squared. This equals to 25 x to the fourth power minus 36 y to the fourth power. Next exercise, multiply 7x squared plus 8y squared in parentheses and 7x squared minus 8y squared in parentheses. Again, when I apply the formula, this equals to 7x squared in parentheses squared minus 8y squared in parentheses squared. This equals to 49x to the fourth power minus 64y to the fourth power. Next exercise, multiply 9a squared minus 10b squared in parentheses and 9a squared plus 10b squared in parentheses. Again, the first term 9a squared will correspond to the a in the formula, and 10b squared will correspond to the b in the formula. This way, when I apply the formula, this equals to 9a squared in parentheses squared minus 10b squared in parentheses squared. This equals to 81a to the fourth power minus 100b to the fourth power. And lastly, I'm going to multiply 11a squared plus 12b squared in parentheses and 11a squared minus 12b squared in parentheses. When I apply the formula, this equals to 11a squared in parentheses squared minus 12b squared in parentheses squared. 11 squared is 121, a to the fourth power minus 12 squared is 144, b to the fourth power. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.